Hello everyone, and here the little Frenchie in Big Texas. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my city backyard. So I'm here in the greater Houston area, so this is officially zone 9A. Also, I have to say, with all the cold fronts we've been having year after year, I don't know the weather and the zones anymore, but this is usually warmer than in other places in the US for sure. And I've been trying to grow in my city backyard, so some fruits. I have a few fruit trees, some vegetables as well, and some herbs. And here is this video is my official entry for the Bushcraft family Herbal Seeds Collaboration. So I started last year trying to grow, actually I tried two of the seeds Charles at Bushcraft family suggested to try, which was Lemon Balm and Hyssop. And Hyssop honestly did not work for me. It did not grow. But Lemon Balm was a complete success. It grew, and so much that I need to show you one of my raised beds right there, because it is still in there and it is huge. It is surviving the cold front. I thought I would have to clean it up right now in the coming weeks, so that I need to anyway clean up most of my raised beds here. But it's not. Actually, I need to do something. I need to contain it. It's taking too much space in my raised bed. But let me just turn you around and show you. So this is the raised bed here, and this is the Lemon Balm right there. Look at that. How beautiful it is. And we just had nights below freezing here. It did not grow that bad. I think the coldest temperature was probably 28 or 29 Fahrenheit. And just for an hour or two, so it was not that bad, but still, look how nice. And it started, I only had it in 1, 2, 3 out of the 4 squares here, and it's starting to invade the rest. So here I'm trying to grow, if you can see here, I've tried to grow some strawberries, but the Lemon Balm is invading a bit too much, so I'm gonna have to cut it. But yeah, still growing. So I'm gonna try again this year. Bushcraft is offering us seeds for oregano, hyssop, and lemon balm. So I'm gonna try hyssop again. Let's see. And oregano, definitely, I love it. Very good herbal survival seed, good for a lot of things. So just like lemon balm and hyssop, actually, all have wonderful properties. So going to try it and going to keep you posted on the progress here. So back to me here to say thank you for watching, and keep following for updates on what's going on in my city backyard. I'm also participating to the other collaboration, which includes Bushcraft, but also the Vineyard Chicks and Lazy Days Ahead, to grow some vegetable in the garden. So we're gonna see as well tomatoes, green bell peppers, and so on. So we'll keep you posted here. Thank you all for watching.